Have you got a 3, 4 or 5-year-old that's continually getting out of bed at night to come and say hello, for a kiss or a cuddle, or to ask you a question? Or are they calling out from their bed multiple times after bedtime? Let's have a little think about their impulse control. It doesn't really start developing until around about the age of 3 and doesn't completely develop until about the age of 7. Sure, you can play games with them in the day, such as hide and seek with progressively longer waits, Simon Says, freeze dance, red light, green light, anything that gets them to stop and think before they act. So whilst we can support them with games in the day, you might find using a bedtime pass or a bedtime ticket helpful at night time. I've outlined all the steps and given you a link to a pre-prepared version for you, all done with instructions on my blog post here.